A killer whale has eaten 75 pounds of fish today. It needs to eat at least 140 pounds of fish each day. A bucket holds 15 pounds of fish. Write and solve an equality to represent how many more buckets of fish the whale needs to eat. This is A. So if he's already eaten 75 pounds today, but needs to eat at least 40, we'll be easily able to solve an equation for this. So he's eaten 75. Each bucket holds 15 pounds of fish. Now, we don't know how many buckets he's going to eat because that's what we need to solve. So we're going to use X to represent buckets. Now, he needs to eat at least 140 per day, so we need to use the at least sign, 140. So now that we have our inequality, we can easily solve this. Well, we do this just like an equation. So we're going to subtract 75 from each side because we're solving for X. We're left now with 15x is greater or equal to 65. And then we need to divide each side by 15. And we're left with x is greater or equal to 65 over 15. Now we want to get this into lowest terms. So 15 goes into 65 4 times with a remainder of 5 over 15. And this can get even smaller. So we have 4 and 1/3. So that's how many more buckets he needs. Let's look at B. Should the whale be given 4 or 5 more buckets of fish? Well, we already know that he's going to eat more than 4 buckets, but just to be sure, let's solve it. And instead of putting x, we're going to substitute for 4. So we're going to have 75 plus 15 times 4 is greater or equal to 140. Now, we know that 75 plus 15 is 90, but we need to multiply 15 by 4 first. So 15 times 4 is 60, plus 75 is 135. Now, does 135 make this statement true? No, it does not. So what about if we had 5 buckets? 75 plus 15 times 5 is greater or equal to 140. Well, 15 times 5 is 75, plus 75 is 150, is greater or equal to 140. So yes, using 5 buckets would actually make this inequality true. So we would use 5 buckets.